Mathematics. Where does the value of pi come from? We open GeoGebra from the search bar and choose the option GeoGebra Classic. We draw a circumference using the first tool, center, and a point on the circumference. The distance between those 2 points is the radius. GeoGebra automatically shows the length of the circumference. It labels it as c, lowercase. Using the distance length tool, we see it measures 12.57 units. When we click on lowercase c, now we draw a segment that represents the maximum width of the circumference, that is, twice the radius. This segment is the diameter. We check that its length between points C and D is 4 units. In the algebra view, we compute the quotient between the circumference's length and its maximum width, the diameter. The result is 3.14. Now check it yourself, and if you have any doubts, ask ChatGPT.